Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on EOS coin. In my earlier video, I was showing you that EOS coin recently broke out another down channel, but it was rejected by a very strong resistance of $1.35. And this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, and this was the down channel breakout that I was showing you. We broke it out, and after that, our technical target was here at the top of the channel at $1.35. And over there, we already had a very long-term resistance that had been recently working as a resistance here. And for a few weeks, this $1.35 has been working as a resistance here as well. Therefore, again, despite this long spike, the price and could not break it out, got rejected, and now we have broken down this very significant support zone that starts from 91.5 cents and goes to 80 cents. By the way, this resistance and support zone has been previously working as a resistance zone here, resistance zone here, resistance here. And for several weeks a month, it has been working as a support here as well. Therefore, now again, it can work as a strong resistance. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. I would also like to show you this very, very huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for SCR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal I shared on 17th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, you will watch how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reach the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of EOS, and on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it had been moving inside this channel. And finally, we broke out the channel. We had some price accumulation above the previous resistance of the channel, and it had been testing the resistance of the channel as support. In fact, it was slightly moving to the downside, and after that, we had a powerful pump, and finally, we reached the sell target. By the way, the sell target that I have been telling you in my previous so many videos was here at the top of the channel at $1.35, and you can see that price had moved up to $1.54 beyond that target, but could not break out this resistance despite these two long spikes. Price could not break out this resistance of $1.35. That was a very long-term resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $1.35 has been breaking other resistance here in the month of March 2024. And from the month of Feb 2023 to the month of April 2023, it has been breaking other resistance. And here, back in the month of March 2020, after this big drop, it was also working at a very, very strong support. Therefore, again, it is working at a very, very strong resistance for the price. And by the way, during this drop, we have also broken down this very strong resistance zone as well. That was recently working as support zone for a few weeks. And now again, it can work as a very strong resistance zone. That starts from 91.5 cents and goes to 80 cents. That was previously working as a support line here for several weeks a month. Resistance here, and now again it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of EOS coin. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is by the way here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.